All right, so in this video, we will get into a little bit more details about what the different things mean on our page. So you can see most of these are green, and green, as usual, means good. That means the compressor's running, the dryer's running, everything's okay. So let's start with dryers. So some dryers have a dew point that's shown here. That means that that dryer has a controller on it that we can get more data from, and we can actually tell what the dew point is. And so if you go there, you can see the pressure and the dew point and everything, and the compressor status. It was off earlier, now it's on. But some of these dryers are more simple, like a smaller dryer like this. All we have access to is just whether or not that dryer is an alarm. So if it's green, that means everything's okay, but that's about all we know. And then we have the data for that dryer over here. That's just basically a data tag. So if you see a dew point, that means that you've got more data. If not, that you just have an alarm context. So what about these other colors? Well, red will show you that that compressor is tripped. So you can go in there and you can see what kind of trip you have. So this is a trip 16 control power loss. And when you click on that, it'll tell you the cause and then the resolution. So this could be a good place to start if something unexpectedly goes down. Your technician can look to here to start to diagnose the problem. So one thing that you may see is that black numbers mean that this is live data, but if you're not, there's some trips where if you don't get communication, all these numbers will show up red, and that's what this means. Red readings are last valid, so it can give you some information even though you don't have communication to that particular machine. This one, it's tripped, but it's a control power loss, so it seems like we still have communication to it. So that's the same what's going on here. And yeah, so here you see some of the red numbers. So that's not live, that's just the last good data that you received. Blue means that it was tripped, but it's been addressed and it is being worked on, so it's kind of being fixed there. So, and then otherwise, if it's green, that means it's good. The only other one might be purple. Purple means it's in bypass right now, and that could mean that a technician is working on it or that it's waiting to be serviced, and so it's being taken out of service. So purple just means that it's not looking for it anymore. It's a temporary bypass until we get it up and running again. So that's about it for all those statuses.